Welcome to LettsGroup's AI Venture Factory dashboard. It's the most comprehensive and advanced system for tech and digital startups to help them start, build, scale, fundraise, and even exit their business. Used by hundreds of startups around the world and an increasing number of scale-ups and even unicorns. It's the best way to build your startup. It behaves like you have a startup team around you. When you signed up, which you will have done at www.lets.group, you will have entered a bunch of company information. That company information, this basic information, will have already primed the system so that the moment you come into it, you will have a dashboard that is designed specifically for you with AI primed for your company throughout and its market. You can get going through our quick start system. The first is just takes you around our venture building framework, which is called Innovate. It's a framework that's been used by dozens and dozens of businesses for many years, and it is literally a step-by-step guide through the venture building framework and life cycle. It takes you all the way through and it gives you great suggestions and ideas. With this venture building framework, you can now get started applying it to your own business. And you can do that by going through our step-by-step approach to building your business. So for instance, you can go right from a quick explanation of what your business does. You can see it's already been generated in the system using our AI specifically tailored for your business. But you can develop your own outputs around that. You can even generate docs within our docs app to be able to take first draft outputs from our AI into something that you want to be able to work on. It will also, it will take you all the through from the positioning of the business right out to developing your first start website. You can see already here, it's giving you a structure for your website. It's giving you the overall sections, basic content, positioning, approach, framework. But then when you go and click execute step, you get an advanced version generated. Some of these steps take seconds, some take minutes. You just need to be a little patient with it. Below you see a complete production ready website plan for Let's Group. Obviously, we've dog food our own business. You can then take that and you can generate again, you can execute the step again, and it will produce for you a production ready website for your business. And you'll see as you go through each of these steps, generate. In this one, it's analyze the market need for your company. You can go right through down to designing and justifying barriers to entry for your business, both legal and more. And if you have a step that you haven't executed on yet, you just run execute step and it will start building the response and building the outputs for you so you can just get working. The idea behind the Venture Factory is that you can see here, it's generating, it's a complicated one, so it's going to take a little bit of time. But the idea is that you just need to go step by step through the system, and week by week, you'll see the challenges that your business might face. The Venture Factory will give you the outputs and the answers and the solutions to your problems, which you can then work on or apply straight out of the box, depending on what you want to do. And you can see here, designing barriers to entry for Let's Groups and its AI Venture Factory. And these outputs are really advanced outputs. Our AI is very sophisticated. It keeps learning. You just have to enter basic information to start with, and it goes off and it helps build your business. You can go out to more advanced things like designing your prototype offering, and it gives you a full roadmap to design your prototype. You can then go off and start building it and build a system that is ready for your business to scale. You can then go back to the Venture Factory dashboard and You can go step by step. You can see all of the outputs that you've got as you've been working along for your steps and the versions that you developed for yourself. But equally, you can just see your progress here. In the progress bar, you can see the next steps that you need to work on, and you can see for here, you're looking at the likely demand for your idea. You can go right out then, and you can move faster down the system and even pick up some shortcuts by going to fast tasks. Fast tasks can build you websites, prototypes, your product roadmap, it can generate your business plan with the click of a button. Here's the short business plan, which is always auto-generated. It's primed in the system. Second you go, it's there. Then you just go click execute step, and you've now got a full business plan available to you. Full business plan with financials, designed exactly the way it should be designed for you internally and externally with fundraising. And then again, you just go back and you click on the step, and you get your deck generated for you. The VentureFactory dashboard is incredibly easy to use. You just go through the 1, 2, 3, you walk through it step by step. You can jump straight to things with fast tasks, and it's a modular approach. As you get more advanced, you can start using our process-driven advanced apps within the platform that help you to, we have a founder-friendly organizer app that does tasks, calendar, etc. for you. Content marketing app that is a full organic marketing system driven by AI. Content management and monetization, social feed for our companies, creating a social feed called Voices, creative commerce, and more. You have a whole load of productivity apps as well, and you've got your fast tasks, and you've got this really advanced agent store that shows you attaches you to all of the leading agents organized by function. So you just go around, you pick your function, software engineering, and you've got all the leading agents within that. The VentureFactory is fast and easy to use. You just go to Let's.Group and click Start Building, and you just have to pick up your plan and click Subscribe, and you're off.